What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. It is a lovely day today. Blue skies, clear skies, a little chilly. It's all right. About 50 degrees today. It is Sunday. It is very quiet out, as you can see. Everyone's a lot of people aren't out due to everything that's going on right now with the coronavirus and everything. So roads are practically clear for a Sunday. So for us riders, that's a plus. For those of you guys who are quarantined in a lot of European countries, I know I have a lot of people who watch me from Italy and France, Spain as well. Just be safe out there, man. Everyone right now needs to be locked in. But hey, I'm bringing you guys along for the ride today. I hope you enjoyed today's ride and today's topic. I hope everyone stays safe out there. Wash your hands, sanitize yourselves. Just be safe, man. Be safe and be smart. So today's topic, we're gonna be doing the 1,000-mile review on my 2020 Lowrider S, guys. So if you're new to my channel, right now, this is my baby right here, my 2020 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. We have about 1,151 miles on the bike right now. Yes, it needs to get serviced. It's been hectic. I just haven't had time to take it to the dealership for it to get serviced lately. Hopefully at the end of the week I will do so. I've been saying that for the past 2 weeks, but I mean, I haven't really been on my bike that much. I take it out to go for a ride around town, just, you know, due to the cold weather still and everything. So it's not bad. Hopefully this week I will take it in. But yeah, 1,000-mile review. As of now, I haven't had any issues whatsoever with this bike at all. Nothing whatsoever. The only money that I've spent on the bike are obviously just in mods. Haven't got an oil change yet, obviously, because the first service you get on this bike is the 1,000-mile service. Nothing wrong whatsoever. One thing I do want to share with you guys is that I have heard of 2 people already. There was actually this dude around this area around here who we were going to go on a ride together right around when I first got my bike. And then someone on YouTube who told me about their story that happened to them. So, same story that happened to them on their bikes is that they had a leak from the coolant. So, I mean, luckily that hasn't happened to me as of yet. Everything's been fine. But it's scary to think that something like that can or does happen to a brand new bike. But with this being a brand new bike, brand new model, I mean, it's expected for things to happen, things to go wrong, you know. With anything, any type of new car model, any motorcycle model, anything the first year is a little risky because they're going to be working out the corks and whatever's wrong with it throughout that year. But yeah, as of now, nothing yet, nothing whatsoever. I'm extremely happy with it, extremely happy with my purchase. This bike just rides so smooth, so comfortable, and I love it. Worth every damn penny. One thing I am gonna take off, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys are probably hear a lot of wind noise right now, is this cover here. So what I've noticed that since I put the cover back on, I get a vibration here. It's like a noise because the wind comes through and it hits it and it makes a little vibrating noise. So that's one thing. So I might just be just taking that off just to avoid that sound. But I mean, that's just due to me changing the fairing, nothing else. Man, it's really quiet. Jesus. right, so what I have noticed with this fairing is that the wind really just comes right over the fairing and it hits you right here in the neck area, right where my camera's mounted at right now. Because as soon as I go down, I get everything right there in my forehead. That's why it's just so much wind going directly at the camera right now. So hopefully the sound isn't shitty right now or anything like that. It's so different because when I did the riding review on it last week, I mean, I don't know, it's just maybe because it's windier today or not, or I don't know what it is. But when I did the review, it kind of felt like it was just going over my helmet. And now it just feels like it's just literally coming strictly direct against my face. It's not a forceful feeling like where I feel like my head's being jolted back or anything like that. And being that I'm wearing a full face helmet, I'm not really getting that force. But I'm pretty sure if I was wearing a half helmet, I'll be getting hit in the face really hard right now. I hate how they just slap on the Type R badges on these Civics now. Like, it's... And nothing really makes that Civic a Type R, man. Come on. At all. Just slapping on badges now. I'm a Civic guy, man. Like, I love Civics. I've always had Civics. I had an 11 SI, that same SI color right there, red. And I used to love that car. And then I also had a 98 coupe with spoon wheels on it, drop, straight pipe, everything. Bunch of stuff. Always been a Civic guy. You know what I should have done was turn over there to get on Route 46. I don't know why I missed it. We're gonna pull over now and give the bike a nice little walk around. Show you guys the mods. Show you how the bike is looking, nice and clean. I was able to wipe her down yesterday. She's all nice and pretty, nice and clean now. Let me see if I could just pop a Yui here somehow. He did it out there too. Alright guys, so we're just gonna pull in over here. That is a little beauty, the little 911 right there. Gorgeous. We'll just pull over right here, and we're gonna give this little bike a nice little walk around. Alrighty, man, so that's a beauty right there. I love 911s, man. Beautiful. All right guys, like I said, this is my 2020 Lowrider S. Beautiful bike, nice and shiny. Like I said, I was able to clean her up yesterday. So nice and shiny now. She was a little dusty. She's a little dirty girl, but yeah, very nice. Like I said guys, no problems whatsoever yet with nothing with brakes, no leaks. Nothing's rattling except for that cover because of the wind that's coming through that fairing now. yeah, she's been a good girl so far, man. I love her every day. Just real quick, if you're new to my channel, then you can see what mods I've put on her so far. We got the new Harley Davidson quarter fairing on it. Went with the LED turn signals and dark housing in the front. Same thing as the back. We'll make our way back there right now. We have my Vance & Hines slip-ons, which sound amazing. I'll turn them on for you right now, just so you guys get a little sound check of it. We have my step-up Saddleman seat, which is amazing. Feels great. I'm gonna be doing a review on that, as a long-term review on it, pretty soon as well, for those of you who've been wondering. Once again, we got the LEDs in the back. These only turn on, by the way, guys, whenever you press the front brake. If you press the back brake, they won't turn on. They only work with the front brakes. Those are also LED. They're in red as well, not orange, with the housing as well. I got the Kuryakyn plate holder in the back, lay down plate holder, which makes it look very, very cool. Amazing. That's it. That's everything we've done so far to her. I'm gonna be switching out these slip-ons, and I'm gonna be doing a two-brother 2-in-1 by Two Brother exhaust, Two Brother Racing. We're gonna be doing that. What else am I gonna be doing? I do want to get some risers, so some 12-inch risers. These are pretty cool, but I mean, obviously you want to go ahead for that full-on club style look, so I definitely want 12-inch risers on there. Grips, I already wouldn't know which ones I want, and blacked out levers in the front. That's also next. And after that, I don't know. I'm gonna see exactly what I might want to do after that. Stage it up, maybe do a stage 3 if anything. Maybe get some cams later on down the road. Whatever it is, we're definitely. It's definitely gonna be a long process, long project, to get the best and full power out of her. But as of now, as she stands, she's beautiful. I love it. Very extremely happy with my purchase. Like I said before, she is a beauty, and I love her. She loves me. Very nice. If you guys are into the market right now, guys, I know it's spring already, and everyone's gonna be purchasing their bikes for the riding season. Like, I highly recommend this bike. Yes, it is a really priced high tag, but it is an amazing bike, man. I'm extremely happy with it, and I would recommend it to anybody. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it on for you guys real quick. Give a nice little sound check. Put it on neutral. So nice. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna continue my day. As you can see here, it's beautiful out in dirty Jersey. Clear skies today. Really, really happy. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. All right. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.